As we all know, the real estate industry has been the biggest wealth creator ever since, and coupled with this fact, the industry is also marred by low customer confidence. The reasons are various. So some of the key reasons are delay in execution of the project, very recent developments in Noida and Greater Noida. We can endlessly debate about why the delay and what is the cost of the delay. I guess what needs to be done is what steps should be taken to regain customer confidence, and especially in case of projects which are under development, which are yet to be delayed, to curtail the time, to curtail the delay. What steps should be taken? To begin with, I would say the first step would be proper planning, as in whatever dates are being committed to the customers, the date should be properly planned, and a buffer should always be taken into account, so as to ensure any contingencies that come up while executing the project. At Ramprastha, we take a 6-month buffer when we commit any time frame to the customers. Second, the biggest problem that the construction industry is facing right now is the shortage of labor. Sounds strange, because in a country like ours, shortage of manpower is very unheard of. But that is the biggest problem that has come about in the last two and a half years, and concrete step needs to be taken to make sure that labor shortage is addressed by twofold strategy. One is retaining the labor on the site, and second is by more mechanization, getting in more machineries, getting in better automation in place. There has to be, we arrange regular developer customer meetings, which help the customer to come to us, tell us our concerns. Trust me, 95% of the concerns are addressed there and then. It's more in the mind than real concerns. Whatever concerns are there, you work on them and you go back to the customer and inform them. And plus, with all this social networking gaining popularity, most of the projects have groups. Like it would be a Google group of a particular project, it would be a Yahoo group. So this is an informal and a very effective mode of communication, wherein you can go out and reach the customers in a very informal and a very effective manner, and people take you very seriously. Earlier, the cycles in the real estate industry were long. Like it used to be a 5 to 7 year cycle. Now, over a period of time, and with the influx of more FDI and foreign money coming into the sector, the cycles have reduced to 3 to 6 months. So suddenly you'll see spurt in sales, spurt funding available from all around, and overnight they'll just vanish. So what needs to be done is such kind of events need to be taken care of. These events need to be taken in your stride as a developer and as a customer. As a developer, you need to plan for some contingencies that, as I said, 6-month buffers should be kept in mind. And as a customer, you also should plan that if a project is delayed by 3 months or 4 months or 5 months, then what is my plan B? How am I gonna live with it?